Yeah,
Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Monkey on the Shelf.
Got it?
Sir,
Hey,
you touched.
you know the free round, you could touch the floor.
Okay,
Now you gotta
Okay, so what are you removing?
I'm removing the shelf. The mannequins are still there. Yeah. You can jump on this.
Are you recording this?
Yeah, I'm recording. Sir, I saw you touch the ground.
I didn't touch the ground. I literally didn't. Where are you? I got it. I got it. You touched the floor. I touched the mirror, bro. You touched the floor.
Okay. You touched it. Okay. Now we're just waiting on him. Alright, did you make it to the mirror already?
You can touch the floor your way back.
Okay, everybody go back.
Go to B.
Okay, you can.
Delete something else.
Okay, I guess he's not playing. Okay, now I'm deleting this wall.
That wall?
Okay. You didn't delete the heads though, did you?
No, the heads are still there.
Okay.
I don't know what you're gonna do from there. If you touch the ground, you're out.
Go there. I should just go there and then jump here.
Y'all can jump up here. Yeah. No, y'all can go to that wall. The one that I was on.
Without so close.
Oh, my screen is lagging.
I glitched. That wasn't fair. I glitched.
Okay, but we already had one person get eliminated, so this round is over.
I glitched.
That was actually a glitch, though. I saw it. That was a glitch.
That was actually a glitch. So
Yeah.
that doesn't count. Oh!
They're coming.
Oh no. Okay.
What do you mean?
I touched it. I touched it.
Okay. Okay.
People in this server.
You gotta jump to that wall. Or you can hang on. Is it possible to jump? So go to this head and then jump over here, and then you can do that.
Yeah. That's basically what I did. But oh, I just got here. Gotta restart.
Boo, I'm scared.
I just got here. You don't have to tell me straight as I got here, cause like somebody just got here. We gotta restart. Somebody just got here.
Okay, so I'm gonna tag
Somebody just
everything.
got here. Gotta restart. Somebody just got here.
Okay, Operation Hunt Everybody Down, go. We gotta hunt everybody down. Everybody roll out. Happy monkeys. I got canyons.
They literally just said where they are.
Oh,
Okay.
everybody report to the beach. We can play a mini game in there. Or maybe not mini game, but I'm not the mini games kid. Our group is the Happy Monkeys.
No. Guys, got beach map.
Speak.
Yeah, they said they're coming. They're in beach. I report. They're in beach. Boys, go get them.
Okay, I want 2 people. As the director, I want 2 people right here. I got eyes on one of them.
I see.
Have the survivors been annihilated? Or are there any left? Who's left? Who's left?
Everybody search the ground.
Brown.
Wait, Green, where are you? Green, where are you? We wanna give you a cookie. I'm safe. Somebody stay behind you. I'm safe. Just tell me where are you?
Get him, boy.
Because like I'm missing out.
Still is recording, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, the Happy Monkey Foundation is proud to announce that we have reached 6 whole subscribers, and I'm gonna give a shout out to Aves. Aves is back. Her alt account. We'll be trying our best to catch this monkey. We will not. The Happy Monkey Foundation is proud to announce that you suck. Gritty.
No, I don't. You.
I'm kidding, as a joke.
The last person.
Is a
Okay,
joke.
fine.
Let's go back to city.
Oh yes.
Black, where are you? I kind of forgot.
Black, I found you. Black, I found you. Sorry, but you got juked really bad.
I'd also like to give a shout out to Mr. Beast, because you know he needs more subscribers. He barely has any. I want a subscriber goal by the end of September is, well, I don't know if you've seen it on my other video, but it is now 100, and I think we can do it. Cool transition. Just kidding, I don't know how to do that. Linda, don't tag me, don't tag me, don't tag me yet. Don't!
No.
You monkey. Mods ban him. You're getting banned. You are literally getting banned. I'm pulling a Nick A30.
Does anybody? I'm gonna become my Roomba.
And let's get Cypher PK. Let's actually get. Hey, Mushroom Hat. Can you tell everybody?
Don't ban me.
I know, I'm not.
Keep going.
But tell everybody that's watching this video to go to spam Happy Monkey in the comments.
I think I know where the last people are.
Ooh.
Come on. Lost monkeys, come back to city. Lost monkeys, come back to city.
This YouTube video is also co-directed by Fruity.
No, you're not supposed to tag everybody.
Yeah, but everyone got tagged already, so we need to restart.
We gotta restart. Where's the last guy?
Fruity, what's your YouTube channel?
Bro, where's the last guy?
It's Daisy and I. We're never gonna get him.
We can.
Wait, I have an idea. Everybody check every map. Check every map. Guys, he's outside of city. Oh, he's outside of city? Where?
No, he's not.
Oh my god.
I see him. Does he have a blue hat?
He's not even outside of city. Are you
Wait.
stupid though? Check comp course.
Comp course.
How? Why? Doesn't make no sense.
He's in comp course.
He's in comp course. He's in comp course.
I am back to go.
I'm
Go
not
comp
good.
course. Everyone.
All monkeys pursuit to the chase.
What am I doing? I was the first level monkey. I got a speed course. I repeat. Yes. Let's go.
Oh,
End of comp course.
Bro, get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get back here! Get back here! Get him!
oh, he ran. We got a runner on. Yes, go.
Let's go! Let's go!
Okay.
But he was the best. Okay, Tyler did not tag anybody. I repeat, Tyler do not tag anybody.
Don't tag anyone, kid.
Fruity, what's your YouTube channel?
Bro got so
Don't
scared.
tag anybody.
Go.
Yeah, wait, don't tag anybody. Alright. I know.
Okay, now we're back to
Monkey on the shelf.
yeah, monkey on the shelf.
First is a free round. Wait for me. No, first round is a free round. Are you stupid?
Oh, first round is free round.
Guys, wait for me. Wait for me.
Got it?
Wait for me. I'm in fourth.
You're goofy. Bruh,
Wait, I don't have any of my cosmetics.
You ran into me. You ran into me.
I jumped over you, but it tagged me. I mean, we can both do it, so I'll get this side. Okay, I think we should delete
Okay,
this.
what are you removing?
Actually, no, this wall. This wall.
Okay, I'm
Not
back,
the, not
I'm
this
back,
one,
I'm
but that
back.
one.
I need to put my cosmetics on. Alright, what did you?
That
This wall right here. This wall is gone.
So you're not removing that?
When we're playing?
This wall is gone. That wall's fine.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Wait, which one? Which is deleted? What is deleted?
The one that I'm on.
That wall. Right there.
Okay.
That one?
Oh. Hold on, no, that was a fail. That was a fail. That was a glitch. That's not my fault. That was a glitch.
Yeah, that's not. It doesn't.
But if it happens again, you're getting tagged.
Wait, my turn, right?
Yes,
My
yes.
turn.
So.
Okay. I just kneel.
Sorry about the dogs.
Okay. Yes.
Round 2. This wall's deleted. Hang on. Let me check
So
this.
both of them are deleted?
Yeah, that's possible.
Just disconnected.
Yeah, it's possible to.
Deleting.
Both of the walls are gone.
They deleted
Oh, okay.
these two walls.
But you can like jump and grab on to
coming.
the bottom of this sign.
All going.
Oh,
All.
Oh. Hold on. I know how we can do it. I know how to do that.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think I know how to do it. Let me go first. We could. You see my speed. Bro, he tagged
and you can step on
I feel like he's
this.
gonna tag everyone.
This you can step on.
Back up.
Move. Why would you tag me?
Wait, why are you tagging everybody?
Somebody tagged me. I don't care. Somebody tagged me for no reason. Now we have to find someone.
Gordon.
Who is this guy? You're so. Why would you tag me? Alright, join the code CEO.
We are in CEO.
Why? Don't
We're
tag
in-
anyone.
Who's it?
Don't tag anyone.
Who's the tagger?
We might.
Are we still playing Monkey on the Shelf?
Yeah. Or do y'all want to go play crates? Don't tag anybody.
Let's play Monkey on the Shelf. Monkey on the Shelf.
Okay.
Yeah.
By the way, you can jump on this. You can go down here. This counts.
I want to go first. So we're in round 2, right? We're in
First
round
round
2.
is a free round. First round is a free round.
Wait for me. Yeah.
Blue, blue. Celebrate. Hey, Fruity, what's your YouTube channel? Fruity.
No.
Fruity.
Everybody run.
Bro, why are you tagging everybody?
You know what? Everybody run. We're playing tag now. We're
Okay.
playing tag now.
All monkeys in pursuit.
I hate you. I hope you die.
You ran from the
Everyone, are you stupid or something?
to black and the dark color left.
Because he kept tagging me, and we said we were gonna play. We said we were gonna play Monkey on the Shelf.
I know that I said that we were gonna put monkey on the shelf, but now we are just gonna play tag. because some people don't cooperate.
Dare try to come, I'm here. So it's like a block.
All monkeys report to,
So
or yeah, all monkeys report to snowy area.
No, I'm Spider-Man.
Where's hacking?
Spider-Man. I can do Spider-Man.
Okay, I'll go down. I'll go down there. You stay. Okay. I'm gonna go down there. Okay, where is this man? Buddy Black. Where are you, buddy? Where are you, buddy Black?
Somewhere secret.
Okay, we can just join my code.
Check every map then. Oh, I got caves. Actually no, I got
Snow is gone.
I'll go
Like,
to beach. I got beach.
Where's everybody?
No, I got
Where's
cannons. I got
everybody?
cannons.
okay, I'll go canyons with you, cause it's big and
Everybody. Oh, there you are.
If you see him,
Everybody, go to canyons.
get him.
Every single person. We're gonna tag everybody.
I see him, I see him, I see him, I
and
see
then
him.
We're gonna start.
Where?
This way.
They're gonna play. They're gonna play. Whoever falls
I saw him running.
falls over there.
He's on the ropes, on the big ropes. I can't jump that.
I don't know how to say it. They're up there.
He's
And
on the big ropes.
more people. So that's how the game works.
Get back here, Flint Lockwood.
More people that just failed. Oh. Black doesn't do
Oh, hey, buddy Black.
Yeah.
Isn't it Bloody Black?
Okay, all monkeys report to. Okay, I'm Lava Monkey. I'm Lava Monkey. We won't mess this up now.
All monkeys report.
Don't tag anybody. Lava Monkey, don't tag anybody. Don't leave canyons. Don't leave canyons.
Why
Stay
not?
canyons. Okay, we're gonna. Okay. Okay, you go. Okay. Get everybody all the way to here. Don't tag them.
Go in treehouse. That's where we're gonna have.
We're having a meeting in Treehouse. I'll just stay outside the.
Going to have a meeting in treehouse.
But-
All of you. Go to canyons.
Sit down in
No.
the line. Sit down in the line.
Don't tag me.
I'm going to Treehouse.
Okay. Okay.
Actually,
There's gonna be two persons that are gonna be lava. So whoever falls down canyons over
Oh, there's construction happening. So like, whoops.
yeah. And don't everybody. Hey, I didn't say
We gotta
that.
restart.
I
We gotta
didn't say
restart, 'cause
don't tag anybody.
We gotta restart. No, it's kind
No,
of
the game didn't start yet.
My
By the
guess
way, this is my code. This is my code.
CEO is your
So
code.
you shouldn't. Yes.
Well, I'm making the video.
No, it's
It's
mine.
my code. It's my code. It's my code.
Is anybody in canyons?
Borrow it.
Well, I probably borrowed your code by
Yeah,
accident.
like he borrowed the code to me. Oh no, fell.
I'll give it back to you later. For now, I need the code.
We can use my friend's code,
For
pretty
now.
much. Well, it's his YouTube channel,
Already
but
in the code. So what do you
Yeah,
say?
I know. I'm saying I still need it.
Wait, everybody. If whoever has Red Room, it's a fun game. Join it. And then we're gonna go. Then we're gonna go friend each other. Go. Okay.
Hello.
okay.
Oh, what the?
That's how you sound like.
I need all lava monkeys to go to Treehouse for the outro. And if anybody has a YouTube channel, I'll give them a shout out. All lava monkeys go to Treehouse. Only, or really all monkeys. Where are you going? Monkey in the cave.
play a mini game section?
You want to play some mini games, boys? You want to play some mini games? No, nobody wants to play mini games.
Some mini games within my time. It's not about the mini games, kids. That kind.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you stayed through the entire way, drop a like and subscribe. Peace.
We're gonna play Monkey